his ball, like, get him a sup of water, Jay, because he'll be gasping after that way.
Come on.
Did you put water into this one, Jack?
Yeah, give me throw a bit of water into that one.